Hi friends, welcome back to Property Finders and also visit our website propertyfinders.co.in. In this video, we are talking about an independent house which is located in Jubilee Hills at a very prime location close to Metro Railway Station and Madhapur. This property is a east facing property. Now we are entering into the house in the east side, northeast corner. We have a lift on the left side. The proper ventilation is available for this property. This is the living area on the ground floor for the guest. It is done with fall ceiling and wooden flooring. Proper lighting facility is also provided in this room and the entire house. Once we come out of the living area, we have this open space, a staircase for the upper floors, and now we are entering into the one of the guest bedroom which is located on the ground floor. This is provided with the wardrobes, with the modular wardrobes provided in this room. You can see it is well matched with the colors of the walls, and the quality of the wardrobes is very good. All windows are open and there is no blockage for the proper sunlight into the house. These are the other wardrobes for the room. So this is a brand new house actually. The total plot area is around 380 square yards, and the built up area of this property is 6,000 square feet area, scattered in ground first and second floors. Now we are entering into the toilet wash area in this room. For this room, proper ventilation is provided and the wall cladding is done up to the height of 7 feet. After this, now we are exiting to the living area. Under staircase we have electrical panels fitted here. From here we will take the staircase. We also have the lift facility for all the floors. The windows are with the proper color and see-through glass. Now we are entering into the first floor. This is the living area on the first floor. The opposite side is the one bedroom and the balcony provided. Here you can find plenty of greenery for this building all around. This is the view of the first floor. Right side we have a bedroom here. This is also with modular wardrobes provided here. Proper ventilation is there for this house also, for this bedroom also. It is also with the attached bathroom here. Now we property finders have many similar properties which are available for sale in Jubilee and Banjara Hills and many other locations across Hyderabad. If you are looking for any property to buy, we have the properties with us as per your requirement. We can get you the property suitable as per your requirement. This is a wash area for this bedroom. Proper wall tiles are provided for this washroom as well, and to the height of 9 feet. Ample water facility is available for this house. There is a bore as well for this house. Municipal water is also provided for this house. Underground water sump is also available, and overhead tank is also provided for this house. So if you are looking to buy any property or sell any property, you can approach us on 9491642141. We can provide you the best property as per your budget. We have in this location, you can see the TV area, and this is a lift on the first floor. This is a dining area, and next to it is the kitchen area. All modular kitchen platform is provided here. This is the area for this house. Proper water connection is provided for the washing machines. The wardrobes you can see here, and false ceiling is also done. Proper ventilation is provided again. We property finders deal in all kinds of real estates in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and Bombay. We have associates in all the cities. You can find any property as per your requirements. We can provide you. If you are looking to sell any of your property, you can call us on the number mentioned above in the screen. We will get you the proper client for your property within the budget. We are associated with all the major construction companies in Hyderabad. Like if you are looking for an flat, villa in a gated community or a standalone buildings, we can provide you the property as per your requirement. If you are looking for any commercial properties also, we can give you the property as per your requirement. For a retail showroom space or an office space, you can approach us. If you are even looking for a rental income property, we can get you the best property with the very good rental value for the property. If you are looking for a farmhouse property, we can provide you the agricultural lands or a farmlands. We have very good land banks with us which can suitable as per your requirement. Now we are moving to the second floor of the property. This is the main area. This area is double heighted actually. This is a lift and this is one of the master bedroom on the second floor. It has been provided with the workstation and false ceiling, a very good wall decoration in the butterfly shape. This is the wardrobe which you are seeing on the screen. This is the wash area for this bedroom. If you are looking to sell any of your lands or buy any HMDA approved or DTCP approved layouts for investments, you can call us. We will be getting you the best property in a better location where your investment turns to be a very good returns for you. This is the sit out area in the northeast corner of the house, and above this is the terrace. It has got a very good ventilation even in this floor also. Almost everywhere you can have the proper windows available here. This is also one of the master bedroom for this property. Again, two windows are provided with the wardrobes neatly done, matching colors of the walls. This property is a very clear title property with all the permissions taken from the GHMC for the construction, and you can get a very good loan on this property as per the government value or as per the market value based upon your CIBIL score and your banking transactions. This is the wash area for this room. Well done and proper height maintained for the wall tiles. We property finders are associated with the IT SEZs in Hyderabad. Like if you are looking for any IT office spaces also, we can provide you in IT zone areas or special economic zones. So now we are going to the terrace area of this building. Staircase is also used marble here. The railing is steel with the glass, and now we are entering to the terrace part of this building. This is the headroom for this place on the terrace. Next to it is the lift room. This is one of the prime locations in Jubilee Hills. As you can see, proper ventilation is available, lot of greenery around in this place. This is a lift machine which is fixed over there, and in this view you can see the greenery behind this property. It will remain in green for many years like as such. This is the balcony area of the house. The right round you can see the greenery is maintained, grass is laid, lawn kind of a thing. Lot of greenery is there in this location. You can see in the screen. If you are interested to have a site visit for this property, you can please call us on 94916 for the site visit. This is the common area for these three houses. Now we are moving right around the house. This is the well maintained lawn with good plantations around the house. Very good play area for the kids of the house. For more information of this property, you can call us on the number which is mentioned on the screen for site visits and all. We can provide you the site inspection as per your convenience. Please feel free to call us for the site inspections and more information. We can share all the details as per your queries. Properties in Jubilee Hills are considered to be one of the best property, as the value of the properties in Jubilee Hills will appreciate at a very faster pace comparatively to other locations. As you are well aware, like Jubilee Hills is one of the prominent location in Hyderabad where a lot of celebrities around. Like our video, please share, like, comment and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates, and don't forget to click the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you.